Did your Android home screen suddenly change, disappear, or stop working properly? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your home screen back to normal in just a few simple steps. First, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it by tapping the gear-shaped icon on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows all the applications installed on your device. Now, look for the option called Default Apps or Choose Default Apps depending on your phone model. Tap on it to continue. Inside here, find the option labeled Home App or Launcher App and tap on it. This controls which launcher your phone uses for the home screen. Make sure your default launcher is selected. For Samsung devices, this is usually called One UI Home. If another launcher is selected, switch it back to One UI Home. After that, go back to the Apps section again. Use the search bar at the top and type One UI Home. Tap on One UI Home from the results to open its settings page. From here, select Storage. You'll now see options like Clear Cache and Clear Data. Start by tapping Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing problems without deleting your setup. If your home screen still looks broken or isn't working correctly, tap Clear Data as well. Just keep in mind this can reset your home screen layout, widgets, and icon arrangement back to default. Once you've done that, return to your home screen and check if everything is back to normal. If the issue still continues, try restarting your phone. A quick reboot can sometimes fully refresh the launcher and fix remaining glitches. And that's it. That's how you can restore your Android home screen back to normal. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.